Basketball, you know what time it is. It's time to grind. It's time to get back in the lab and do what we do best, and that is make some baskets here on Basketball U. It's the Daily Trainer. I'm back once again, and we're almost at 200 workouts, and you know that's a lot. So I hope you've been with me the whole time. We got some new footage coming right after we hit that 200 mark for you, and it will be a little bit different than on the basketball court. We're gonna incorporate some strength stuff in there too, with maybe a little bit more agility. Oh yeah, we need it in our life. We gotta have it. So here we go. Let's get started. First, we're gonna make it real easy, real nice, and we are going to make some layups real quick. Yep, we're gonna dribble up and make some layups. All right, we're gonna work our footwork. We're gonna throw it out. We're gonna rip through. We're gonna finish. You got your reverse pivot, you got your outside pivot, and we are gonna work that footwork, and we are going to make some layups. Okay, let's make 5 on each side, working through all the different layups. And then right after we do that, we're gonna go right under the basket and make those Micans. Okay, right after we make the Micans, we're gonna shoot some free throws. And right after we shoot those free throws and make 10, then we're gonna go into our bank shots. Okay, so we're gonna go right into our bank shots. We're gonna be all over the place today, but I want you to just focus on making baskets today. So we're gonna shoot our bank shots. Remember, it's 3 different levels when we shoot the bank shot. Then after we shoot the bank shot, we are gonna go right under the basket, and we are just gonna hit it off the glass, and we're gonna see it go in. I want 10 in a row, 10 in a row, 10 in a row. There's no reason you shouldn't make 10 in a row right under the basket. So if you can't make 10 in a row, we're going to stay there until you can. Then I want you to go back to the free throw line and make 5 free throws, okay? And if you're feeling a little tired or just a little bit of fatigue, then I want you to go ahead and get on the baseline. Yeah, that's right. You thought I was going to say get a drink. No, get on the baseline. We're going to run a quick liner, okay? Time's not important here. Just want you to push yourself a little bit while you're running. Remember, it is from baseline to free throw, baseline to half court, baseline to the other free throw line, baseline to the other baseline, and then all the way back. Okay, so make sure you run that hard. Then you can go ahead and grab that drink that you so much need in your life. Now, after we put that water down, because it's only going to be a 10-second break, like you're literally just getting a squirt, boom, boom, and then we're coming right back. We're going to come right back into shooting. Okay, we want to shoot the 3 ball. Okay, so we're going to pull up right away, straight from 3. We're hitting them on the wing. We're hitting them at the top. We're hitting them on the wing, okay? Today, I want you to do both hands, but I only want you to make 2. So you're going to pull up with the right, make 2. Boom, pull up with the left, make 2. Same thing at the top, same thing at the left. Then you're going to shoot the 3 all the way around the key again, okay? So that's all the way around, from the corner to the short wing, to the top of the wing, all the way at the top, all the way around. You're only going to shoot that one time. Okay, after you shoot that one time, you're going to go to the free throw line. Okay, when you go to the free throw line, you are going to make 5 free throws. Okay, and again, there's just such an importance on making shots today. So that's why we're doing so much, but not a whole lot of reps. Okay, so we are making shots. That is the goal. Keep that in your head. All right, push yourself while you're getting your rebounds. That's where your conditioning is going to be. Now, after we've made our shots and we're feeling good, we're going to mix it up a little bit and put that ball on the ground a little bit with our dribbling, okay? We're not going to do pounds to start. We're going to go right into our 2 combination dribbles, okay? So we got our pound, cross, cross. We got our pound, crossover through the legs. We got our pound through the legs, cross. We got our pound through the legs behind the back, okay? We got our behind the back. We got our crossover. We also have our cross through, so you'll be alternating there. And then we also have our in and out cross through the legs. Okay, so we're going to do all of those dribbling moves, and we're going to do those each for 20 seconds. So we want to make sure we're utilizing our dribble. We're doing both sides. We're making sure we're pounding that basketball. We're getting under that basketball so we have that control when we're transitioning from a move from a move to snap that dribble through and to the other hand. And we just want to make sure overall we are practicing the control and the pound of the basketball. Okay, so we're going to take you through dribbling there. Then what I want is I want you to take that dribble and I want you to hit a 17 sideline for me. Oh, I know I said no running, but guess what? It's okay. It's okay. All right. So we got a minute and 15 seconds we're going to put on that clock, and I want you to run that 17 and make that time. Okay. So that's where you're going to push yourself a lot today, but it's still a time that you can make. So don't be frustrated if it doesn't feel like you can make it, because you can definitely make that. All right. And then we are going to go to the free throw line while we're tired. We're just going to make 3 free throws. If you want to challenge yourself and make 3 in a row, I would be more than happy to see you do that. But if not, then just make 3, and then we're going to get a little bit of water. Okay. Go get a little refreshment. And then while you're thinking about that refreshment, think about, what do I need to do to compete with myself to be better than I was yesterday? Okay. Or what workout did I do recently where I felt that I did very well, and am I doing better than I did in that workout in this workout? Okay. So that's something to keep in mind. Now we're going to go back to that court, and we are going to rebound real quick. You got to practice rebounding. You got to practice rebounding, especially if you're a shorter player. So it's important that we do that. So we're going to throw it up off the glass. We're going to try to rebound that basketball, and we are going to put that ball back in the basket 5 times on the right side, 5 times on the left side. We're only going to do 1 set just to get those legs bouncy. And then for all my guys that dunk out there, and if you can't dunk, lower the rim and see if you can dunk it. We're going to work on some dunk attempts real quick. All right. So I want you to work on approaching that rim 5 times, getting as high as you can. If you can't grab the rim, just try to lay the ball up as high as you can at the rim. So we're going to go 5 times on the right side, 5 times in the middle of the rim, and then 5 times on the left side of the rim. Okay, we're just attacking hard and trying to dunk that thing as hard as we can. All right, and if you can dunk it, great. Let's work on that bounce, and let's get a little bit bouncier this summer. All right, perfect. All right. After that, you're going to be a little tired, so let's get back to that free throw line. Let's make a quick 5, and let's go get a quick water break. And last but not least, we are going to end the workout on a defensive note. Oh, I know it hurts, but it is going to be a better feeling when you're locking up that person in front of you and they can't score on you. So we're going to work our 2-cone drill. That's where we have 6 cones set up right in the middle of the key, and then we are sliding a member. We're going to go over and under, and we're going to keep sliding hard to that next set of cones, over and under, and then we're going to slide to the next set of cones, over, under. You're going to slide over a little bit, come back to it, slide over, boom, 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 and we're going to do that 3 times. Okay, so we're doing that 3 times today. Then we're going to do our sprint breakdown from half court, the 3-cone drill, where we're sliding left, sliding all the way across, then coming middle, and then working that back pedal, because the back pedal does make a difference. All right. And then our last one, defensively, we are going to go with none other than the square box. Okay, where we are sprinting, we are sliding to the right, we are backpedaling, we are sliding to the left, we're coming back, sprinting again, sliding, and then coming backwards. Okay, so again, that is that NBA drill that you've seen so many times during the NBA draft process, or should I say pre-draft process. It's a very good drill, works some different agility, gives you an idea of your acceleration, deceleration, and your lateral movement, and it would be good for you to see yourself, and also you can compare other NBA guys, which we may do. We might get other NBA guys who do the drill and see if you could do it just as fast as your favorite NBA player. All right. And then lastly, we just want to end with defensive slide zigzags and sprints. We're going to go 3 of those, and then you're going to go to free throw line. You're going to make 10 free throws, and you're done. All right. It's over. Easy workout, right? Easy workout, especially going into the weekend. That's what we want. All right, basketball, you know what to do. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?